If you're seeking for a quick and easy method to make money online, the concept of being paid to collect emails may seem too good to be true. I'm sure you're wondering if getting compensated up to $150 per hour is feasible just by collecting emails. The answer is yes. Yes, it is 100% possible, but keep in mind that this won't make you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Although checking emails for money can be a fantastic way to supplement your income when you have some spare time. You may either be resting on your bed watching Netflix, surfing the web for some exciting topics, or perhaps you're hungry and heading to the grocery store. Well, whatever you're doing right now, this is the ideal moment to spend a few minutes and earn a few dollars. Hello, I'm your cash flow girl. Welcome to my channel where I teach you easy ways to get your cash flowing. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated on our new uploads. Let's get this money making started. Let's speak about CPA marketing. To begin, I'm sure that some of you have heard of this. CPA, or cost per action, refers to the process by which marketers can offer consumers cost per action deals without requiring them to make a purchase. All they have to do is execute a single action, which is as easy as providing their email address. In return, you will be paid again. There's no buying involved here. All you have to do is give them your email address, and that's it. I'm going to show you how to get paid right away. I know the money isn't much, but it actually depends on the offer you've chosen. This is ideal if you're looking for an additional income online. It's an excellent side business, and I'll teach you how to run it. Stay tuned to not miss out on any of the great tips I have on this video. Head over to offervault.com. This is the first step of our money making. OfferVault has a variety of CPA offers from all over the world. There are several different categories on this website, including many from various countries throughout the world. The register button is right in the main area, but you don't have to sign up on OfferVault. You may visit AlphaVault and begin researching all of these various deals immediately. All of these different offers from numerous networks and nations, as well as the payout, are available for viewing. This is how much money you'll earn after someone you've referred to this website has successfully signed up. I'd like you to search for a PayPal gift card in the search bar. Today, we'll be focusing on one particular offer that will provide you with a variety of alternatives. Although there will be a small number of them, they'll be quite valuable. So, as you can see, we may refer a PayPal giveaway to someone in which they have a chance to win a $1,000 PayPal gift card. We would receive this amount for each individual that we sent for each email collected using our referral link. I'll show you how to make use of a completely free traffic source, as well as how to locate people who will submit their email addresses. Isn't it correct that you're directing them to a giveaway where they can join and have a chance to win anything for free? I'll be showing you guys how to use a completely free traffic source, as well as find people who will submit their email addresses. Since you're directing people to a contest where they may enter and have a chance to win anything for free, it shouldn't be too difficult, right? And all that is required for them is their email address. Once users click on one of these offers, they will be directed to a page that looks like this. They can choose from any of the options on this website. People will receive these offers, which provide them a shot to win a $1,000 PayPal gift card. To enter the giveaway, all they have to do is provide their email address, and if they win, that would be terrific. If not, you would still be paid, since this is completely free. It's really a win-win situation. Here you'll discover all the information you need right now. Simply click on Preview Landing Page to learn everything there is to know about the deal, the product you're advertising, and the page you'll be sending people to. To join that specific affiliate network, all you have to do is click the Run Offer Here button. However, all of those various affiliate markets and affiliate networks will vary slightly depending on the deal you eventually choose. Now you only need to click the sign up button to create an account on this site. You'll need to complete the sign up procedure, which is a little more difficult than on other platforms, and submit some additional information about yourself, including demographic details like where you're from and how long you've been online. You'll also have to share your other social media accounts. You'll need to share your Facebook, maybe even Instagram, and if you have a YouTube account, that as well. They will be asking a bunch of questions. The more information you can provide them, the higher your chances are of being accepted. Once you've been accepted, you'll be able to access your referral link. After you can share your referral link, and once they provide their email address, you will get paid for it. Are you enjoying this video so far? Give us a big thumbs up and interact with us and other like-minded moneymakers in our comment section below. Let's resume to the video now. I'm going to share one of several traffic sources you can use to collect email addresses. So continue on to learn how to do it. By getting people to sign up for your giveaway as well as provide their email address, you can successfully collect email addresses and earn money. So, Trendy is the traffic source I'll be sharing with you today. Yes, Trendy. I am aware that it is difficult to even pronounce this free traffic source, but I appreciate your effort. I would like you to go to trendy.com right away. We have several forums here, as you can see. For all those who make money, this is a place where people can exchange ideas and ask questions. You may discover many different people on this website that genuinely seek to make money, since there are many legitimate make money lists on this forum. If you'll notice, they're all discussing different subjects, so you can actually join numerous sorts of forums. We're talking about PayPal money here. You may interact with others by joining various forums where you can also earn money through paid surveys, passive income, etc. Below this, there are business forums where you may talk about all facets of starting and running a business, and also answer business-related issues. They often receive hundreds, if not millions of views on this page, so by clicking on it, you may start your own discussion in the money-making forum. You may share information by creating your own posts, such as, "Hey guys, this website is hosting a giveaway. If you want to sign up, you can use my link." And you will be paid when they input their emails. Now, all you have to do is tell others about this great opportunity by just sharing it with them. They're all probably curious and earning money online. You may persuade them and tell them that they have a chance to win real, tangible money from this giveaway. Again, you're providing something completely free to tens of thousands of Trendy users that want to earn money online. Depending on the Offer Vault offer you choose, they simply need to provide their email address. They are not compelled to buy anything, invest anything, or spend anything. Usually, all they have to do is provide their email address. It's that simple and straightforward. Nevertheless, note that this is not something with which you need to give your undivided attention. Maybe simply utilize it to create some additional money so you can put it in a trusted company that will hopefully bring in a lot of money. For my #1 recommendation on how to make money on YouTube, check out the link in the description box below. As always, it has been nice to be your guide for this video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel, ring your notification bell, and get your cash flowing through me, your cash flow girl. See you on the next one!